What if your app creates a fresh database connection on every single web request? In .NET, you register a Singleton service using builder.Services.AddSingleton. Pass the service interface as the first type argument and the implementation class as the second. For example, add Singleton of iMyService, my service. If there is no interface, just pass the implementation type directly. This goes in program.seeks, right where you configure all your services. A singleton means the container creates exactly one instance the very first time a service is requested, then reuses that same object for every subsequent request for the entire lifetime of the application. Restart the app, and a new singleton is created. But while it is running, all requests and all users share that single instance. Compare this to AddScoped, which creates one instance per HTTP request, and AddTransient, which creates a brand new instance every single time the service is resolved from the container. Singleton lives longest, Scoped lives for one request, Transient is the shortest lived. AddSingleton has two more overloads worth knowing: pass a factory lambda for custom construction, or pass an existing object instance directly. And, since every request shares this one object, your singleton implementation must be thread safe. Use AddSingleton when you need one shared instance for the app's entire lifetime, and always make sure it is thread safe. Like and follow for more .NET interview prep. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.